Hi, John Valvano here, and in this video we're going to take the next step and then plan our design. Now, at this point you should have Eagle installed and the libraries and the design folder interfaced, connected, and had these two starter files renamed with your EID. And in this video, we're going to assign or just choose which pins go to which devices. And so in this way, if all the students in the PCB design class use these same pinouts, then we can create groups and share each other's designs and help each other out. So we're going to use PA0 and 1 for the UART connection. We're going to use PE 3, 2, 1, and 0s for any buttons, PD 1 and 0 for LEDs. We'll connect the slide pot from Lab 8 to PD2. If you interface a joystick, okay, then we're going to use PE 5 and 4. Okay, to do Lab 9, we're going to use PC 4 and 5. As you know, PD3 is an analog input for the Texas scope. When we do Lab 7, we're going to use PA 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 for the display, and our DAC from Lab 6 used PB 5 through 0. So again, if we all use these pin defaults, then we can take your assignment 1s, merge you together, and create teams to lay out assignment 2. Okay, so you did Lab 3, so you know how to hook up switches and LEDs. If you've got 4 switches, you're going to do this 4 times. If you've got 2 LEDs, you're going to do this 2 times. Okay. The DAC, which we just did in Lab 6, is going to be a 6-bit DAC, and you can either make 1.5, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, or you can make 0.75, 1.5, 3, 6, 12, and 24. That's 2 different choices for the DAC. Okay. The LCD is, again, everyone will design their same LCD, as I said, using PA 7 through 2. We have one cool thing we're going to add. If we connect up this card SD signal here to any unused pin, like PD7, then in the future, you could use the SD card, it's a secure digital card, for other projects. Okay. This is the circuit for Lab 8. Basically, the slide pot has got 3 pins. One goes to 3.3, one goes to ground, and the analog input to our system goes here on PD2. In order to make it flexible, it turns out we'll put a jumper on the board that allows you to connect the scope either to the slide pot here on PD2 or your DAC output from Lab 6 here on your DAC output. So this will be a 3-pin jumper, and you can stick in a 2-pin, this will be a 3-pin header, which you stick in a 2-pin jumper either between 1 and 2 or between 2 and 3. Similarly, there'll be a 3-pin header for port 9, and if you have 2 boards, you connect pin 3 on this board to pin 2 on the other board, pin 2 on the other board to pin 3 to 2 and 3 to 2 to 3 and 1 to 1, and then you can communicate between the 2 boards. However, if you're social distancing and doing Lab 9 all by yourself, we'll put a jumper here between 3 and 2, and that'll allow you to do Lab 9 with a single board. Okay. All right, so that's our approach here to getting started here on on this PCB camp, and that is to make a list of all the pins you're going to use and the rough design of your circuits. All right, In the next video, we'll start laying stuff out. We'll start designing stuff in the schematic.